In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Notion. Whether you need a physical copy for a meeting or a clean PDF to share, I'll walk you through the two simplest ways to get your Notion page onto paper or into a file, keeping everything clear and easy to follow. First, start by opening the exact Notion page you want to print. Make sure you're on the page that contains the content you need and give it a quick scan so you know everything you want is visible on screen. This helps the print preview reflect what you expect to see. The quickest method is to use your web browser's print option. Look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three dots icon. This opens the browser's menu. From there, select the print option. Your browser's print dialog will appear with a live preview of your Notion page. Here, you can choose your printer, or select Save as PDF if you prefer a digital copy. Take a moment to check the layout and scale in the preview. You can adjust things like orientation, margins, and which pages to include so the output looks clean and complete. When you're satisfied with the preview, confirm to print, and your Notion page will be sent to your printer or saved as a PDF, depending on what you chose. If the browser print preview doesn't format your page the way you want, there's a reliable alternative. Export the page as a PDF directly from Notion. On the Notion page, go to the top right and click the three dots icon for the page menu. Choose Export, then select PDF as the format. Notion will generate a PDF version of your page and download it. Once that file is ready, you can open it and print it using your computer's standard print dialog, which often gives you consistent results across different printers and systems. Use the first method when you want something quick and straightforward. Use the export to PDF method when you want a more consistent layout or need a polished file to share. In both cases, reviewing the preview before printing helps avoid surprises, like cut off text or extra pages. And there you go, that's all you need to print from Notion, either directly through your browser or by exporting a PDF first. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get clean, professional prints of your Notion content every time.